A vibrant evening to one and all present here on the lovely occasion of our 7th annual day function and award ceremony Ullas 24. It is my pleasure to extend my cheerful welcome to our chief guest, Major General Dr. Rajan Kochar, VSM, Dr. Sumedha, guest of honor Mr. Ajay Garg, Mrs. Manju Garg, special guest Mrs. Shashidhar, Mr. Somesh Chandra Mishra, parents, guest, founder trustee Mrs. Sudha Kuchhal, Mr. Smriti Kuchhal, chairman Shri Rakesh Kuchhal, director Mr. Himanshu Kuchhal, my wonderful team of strong members, respected parents and my adorable students. Further, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Shriji family on the completion of a decade of academic brilliance, character development, and creating leaders. I feel privileged to be part of these 10 years of making a difference in the lives of students and the society. I am honored to present the annual report for the academic year 2023-24, reflecting our collective journey of 10 years towards excellence and growth. Sports achievements. Through sweat, perseverance, and teamwork, our athletes have etched their name in the histories of sporting glory. In the world of sports, our achievements speak louder than words, echoing the commitment, passion, and unwavering. Vidhi of grade 4 is a state-level champion in skating and represented the school at national level. Aryaveer and Sanchit represented us at state-level skating championship. Arham Jain, Bhavishya, Anshul Kundu, Komal, Tenzil, Divija, Sanvi, Harsh Daya represented the school in different games at district-level championships. A healthy competition in the air and a thrill of victory as athletes showcase their flair. Through these lines, I am here to describe annual athletic meet of Shriji where every student contributed to the symphony. In December 2023, school organized inter-school annual athletic meet as a celebration of skill and unity, where track and field events were organized. Gulshan, Veer, Aditya, Shaurya, Parth won the titles of Victor Ludorum in sub-junior, junior, and senior categories. In all subsequent categories, Srishti, Pranavi, Mannat, Asma begged the title of Victress Ludorum. Let us applaud their achievements and celebrate the hard work and determination that brought them to this pinnacle of success. Our CBSE results. With the pride and honor, I present the previous year's result of grade 12 and 10 examination conducted by CBSE. Maitri Sharon topped grade 12 with 97%, closely followed by Ishika 94.6 and Kashish 93.4. I am pleased to announce that every third student in grade 12 scored 90% and above, where overall 60% students succeeded to snare the distinction. In grade 10 CBSE exam, Mehak secured first position with 91.6%, followed by Sagar and Deepika. Every second student of grade 10 is a proud achiever of distinction. Needless to say, the overall result of grade 10 and 12 remain 100%. Thank you. Creating a positive learning environment in school is crucial for students' growth. During this session, students were provided with many opportunities to express themselves through different activities and competitions like debates, declamations, poetry, storytelling in different languages, skit, quiz, different exhibitions on art and craft, robotics, project work, subject-based exhibitions, etc. STEM and AI is the integral part of modern education system. With this vision, robotics is an activity in the school where Arnav Rohila, Lakshit, Ishani, Gurbani, Rudra, Arnav, Akshit made innovative projects in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. To provide stage exposure for students for their holistic development, we organize events and celebrations. This provides a platform for students to showcase their skills and talent in public setting. To provide an exposure, various domestic and international trips have been organized for the students. In this series, our students got the opportunity to visit Germany. During their visit, they stayed with the host families and in turn they become host for German staff and students when they visited India. To empower staff and students, we always plan different workshops, seminars, webinars, and interactive training sessions for our students, teaching staff, non-teaching staff throughout the year. This year, our teacher, Ms. Geetu Malik, Ms. Deepti, Ms. Ruchika, Mr. Indrajit, and Mr. Sunil Kumar were awarded by prestigious organizations like Bharat Vikas Parishad, Rotary Club for their contribution in the field of education. I am elated to announce that our school has been honored with the prestigious award for excellence in education on 9th of February 2024 by Leo 1 Group. This recognition is a testament to the collective efforts of our dedicated educator, committed students, supportive community. In conclusion, this annual school report reflects not just academic achievements, but the journey of growth, collaboration, and resilience. With gratitude, we look forward to another year of inspiring learning, meaningful connections, and continuous progress. Thank you for being an integral part of our shared commitment to excellence in education.